psychologists, happiness is a continuous state, not only of present, even of future. There, happiness can be categorized into three different types. The first category is false happiness. This false happiness is very short-lived, and some people may consume drugs, alcohol, intoxicants, which gives them a delusion of happiness. But this delusion of happiness is short-lived. The moment the intoxication wanes, the effect of the drug wanes, happiness also disappears. And then there is misery, due to which the person has more drugs, more alcohol. He then becomes a drug addict. And this happiness is false happiness, the first category, which is short-lived and only a delusion. The second category of happiness is the temporary happiness, which is achieved after achieving a goal. You may want to come first in the classroom, you may want to come first in a race, or want to win a boxing match, or you want to be a very rich man, or you want to become a doctor. You have a goal. When you achieve the goal, you feel happy. But this happiness is also short-lived. But it is not as damaging as the first category. Once you achieve the goal, then again your state of happiness disappears. So the second category, which is called as temporary happiness, is only short-lived. When you achieve a particular target, you have a particular goal, you have whether you want to be a rich man, or you want to become a minister, whatever goal you have, once you achieve, you get happiness for a short time. After that, it vanishes. The third category of happiness is the true happiness. This happiness, according to psychologists and according to scientists, they say this happiness is a continuous happiness and a feeling of enjoyment, delight, and generosity. It's a continuous feeling. It's not temporary. And this continuous feeling of happiness is unlike the first two categories. It can only be achieved on a belief, if you have faith. And if you analyze the various types of belief that you have in today's world, the only ultimate true happiness can be achieved by following Islam, the religion of peace, the religion of submitting your will to your Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Many people think, how can they achieve happiness? And the most common that men think is, if you're rich, you'll get happiness. So something, wealth will bring you happiness. Something, power will bring you happiness. Something that fame and popularity will bring you happiness. Something, the more number of friends will get you happiness. Different people have different standard of achieving happiness. But let me tell you, all these happiness, few may fall in category 1, the remaining fall in category 2. You may think becoming a rich man, by becoming a millionaire or billionaire, you'll be happy. If you see the statistics of today's most richest men, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, all of them divorced. Some of the children, they filed a suit against their father in the court. Is this happiness? The husband and wife fighting. Imagine, richest man. All of them have been richest at least once. So this is a false perception.